Alright guys, 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Blowing the 20 amp ASD fuse underneath there. Checked all the wires up here, couldn't find anything grounding. Replaced the cam sensor. Replaced the freaking crank sensor way down there. Moved a couple of the parts around. Tried different things. Driving me nuts. Went down here. Checked the oxygen sensor. Everything looks good up through there. Totally blew off the fact that I have a rear oxygen sensor which has been rubbing on the driveline. So we will repair that and see if it fixes the problem. Check the notes. Thank you. Bye.